Hello, Onshapers. Dan here with another Onshape tech tip. When designing in complex part studios, it can often be difficult to predict the impact of editing a feature in the middle of your feature tree. Onshape's Show Dependencies function provides a simple way to understand the upstream and downstream dependencies of the feature you plan to modify. All features which your selected feature is dependent upon will appear above the up arrow in the dialog. All features which are dependent upon your selected feature will appear below the down arrow. A feature is considered dependent upon another feature if it directly references geometry or variables created by that feature. Features that appear in the Dependencies dialog can be hovered over to highlight relevant geometry, selected to highlight the feature's location in the tree, or right-clicked on to discover further dependencies. And that's it. Check out your feature dependencies next time you find yourself unsure of downstream impacts.